Look at this. I told you it will never fail to give 10 candlesticks. Believe it or not, it will never fail to give 10 candlesticks. You see, we got our entry here. 10 candlesticks, bro. Look at this. Well, hello traders, welcome back. This is Too Many FX, guys. This is the best channel that I've ever seen. We do talk together, guys. You tell me what you want, I just bring out a new strategy. Yet, as I told you before, that I have a lot of strategies, but trying to fix time to give you strategies, guys. And as I told you also again that I had recorded a video on this strategy, but I said first reply to most of you using another recording by replying to most of your questions, and that was done. So this is the strategy. I didn't want to keep it for so long because it is booming. You get it, man? It is booming. I don't want to keep it and you miss money, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. On this strategy, I'm using only 4 indicators. Indicator number 1 on the main chart, I'm using moving average. That is what you see, color black. I'm using a staunch. I'm using a moving average number 2 on our indicator window 1, and I'm using Ichimoku. Yeah, those are the 4 indicators that I'm using for this powerful, marvelous strategy, man. So, guys, if you're ready, I'm ready to. Let's go. Well, that's it, man. So for this strategy, let's go straight forward on how the strategy works. Guys, this is how the strategy is working. So watch the video to the end, not to miss any part of this strategy, so that you can make money and grow your account, man. So if you miss any part of this strategy, then tomorrow you start saying the strategy is not working. Yet others are just doubling their accounts. As I told you, I don't give a strategy that I don't use. I use all these strategies. So I give out many strategies for you guys. So go and pick the one which is moving, or the one which is your favorite. Go with that. Don't use this one tomorrow, use this one tomorrow. You will not master any of the strategies. Get one strategy or 2 strategies, master the strategies and use them to make money. But don't jump to strategies. Don't be jumpy switching strategies all the time. I give many strategies so that you can pick the one which is your favorite, or the one which works with you very well. Okay, so let's go. On this strategy, guys, you wait for your Ichimoku. You wait for your Ichimoku to touch for boom, all boom pairs, boom 1000, boom 500, for boom 300. You wait for your Ichimoku to touch level 90. You get it, level 90. And you wait for your moving average also to touch level 90. When moving average touches level 90, this is boom. You sell full margin, man. But that's not good, because as I told you before, risk management is the key to the moon, man. So if you use the risk management, proper risk management in trading, you'll grow your accounts. Even if you get 2 consecutive losses in a day, your account will remain safe. So with a proper risk management, your account will grow, man. This is how it is. So you enter a trade and take only 10 candlesticks. It will depend on your how comfortable you are. If you feel like you're comfortable with this, man, take 10 candlesticks. If you feel like you're not comfortable with the trade that you have entered, like shaking, you know that, so take only 5 candlesticks. But for me, I will tell you, take 10 candlesticks. As you see here, man, see our moving average touched level 90, and that is our confirmation that we sell. Let me show you something. You see where our entry was, somewhere there on that moving average. So you count 10 candlesticks, you take 10 candlesticks and you're out. And with 10 candlesticks, guys, of boom 1000, that those are 6 pips, almost 7 pips just in a second. 7 pips in a second. You get 10 minutes in a trade, those are 10 candlesticks, and that is 7 pips. You get 7 pips already banked on your account. After that, exit the trade. Wait for another opportunity to come, guys. Wait for another opportunity to come. Some of you saw this thing. Some of you saw this thing as I was starting the video, but I didn't want to talk about it, and I didn't want to tell you anything about it. Some of you are like, it's going to enter the trade, it's going to enter the trade, yeah. The moving average, each and each mock have touched level 90. This is a good entry. No guys. Before using each and any of my strategies, guys, go watch that video below. The previous video that I posted showing you how to get how to find a trend of the market using our moving average of 21. Watch the video, learn how to get a trend before using all my indicator strategies, guys. So let me tell you the reason why I didn't get any entry here and I didn't focus on it. Why? This trend is not a downtrend, and we only enter trades when boom is on a downtrend. So you come on your 30-minute time frame. On our 30-minute time frame, we use this black moving average on the main chart. This is the moving average we use to get a trend of the market. You see, the market had already crossed above the moving average. I noticed that a few minutes back when I was checking about my trades, and I was checking about what is happening with the market, trends of the market, because I check each and every market that I trade. I check the trend, and I know this one, I focus on it, I will get entries of scalping. This one has no money after some period of time. So I checked and I found this. I was like, there's no money here. And you see why? Our moving average was already below the market. The market has already crossed our moving average. And for such a market, we avoid to get entries because we are selling and we are scalping 1 minute. And that's why you saw here, I didn't look at it anymore because I knew what was happening. I do record my things down, and I know this market is going to give money in this time. I come and check after some time. After I come, maybe like hours, maybe like 30 minutes, maybe after 4 hours, I check and see what happened. So see what happened here. The market just gave only a few candlesticks, and guess what? We are not yet received a perfect entry using our indicators, and it spiked again. So when you look at this one, guys, don't expect any entry because you will blow your account. A spike will find you in a trade. You see, yes, our moving averages have touched. Our moving average and each mock have touched level 90, but I'm not looking any entry now for this time on boom 1000. Why? Because the trend is an uptrend, and for boom we are selling. That means I sell when I see a downtrend, okay? And I sell when the market is in between the support and the resistance and it is on a downtrend. So guys, if you see here, this is our resistance zone. You get it? And this is our support zone. So I trade when the market is just from up, like somewhere here. It's when I start looking for entries. You get it? And when the market starts consolidating, I avoid entering trades. So guess what? It went all the way up, but it was rejected on our moving average. It came back down and it started looking for more entries somewhere here. So it started giving another consolidation. I avoid entering that. Again, I start looking for entries when I get a clear downtrend. And I start looking for entries again and again when the market has not yet reached our support zone. Okay, once it is almost at our support zone, I just say that market is not giving money anymore until like 2 hours or 3 hours. So for this one, you give it like, let me say like 2 hours. You come and check, is it on a downtrend yet? No. If it is not, you avoid. If it is on a downtrend again, you start looking for entries until the market comes somewhere here. So if it reaches somewhere here, because now this one is now invalid support. You get it? So our valid support is this one. Get? So if the market comes all the way down, it comes all the way down from somewhere, anywhere it wants to come back from. But if it comes all the way down, it reaches here and I see a bullish momentum, I stop looking for trades on boom 1000. But if it crosses, I start looking for previous support level and I mark it. I keep looking for entries until the market is almost approaching to that level. Boom. I don't have to explain much. If you want to learn more about this, how to find trends, how to find the trends of the market using or how to trade my strategies using the trend of the market, just watch the video that I posted previously. The link, you'll find it in the description video below, and learn how to check trends in a simple way using our moving average. So let's go back, check and see on another trade, on another pair. Let's see crash. So for crash, we are buying, you get? So we are looking for trades that are above our moving average. Our moving average should be below the market, and when the moving average is below the market, we mark our support level and resistance level. So the market should be above the support and is not yet at the resistance level. So when it is almost reaching at the resistance level, we stop looking for trades and we see what will happen. If it breaks, guys, again you look for entries, but not too much, because the market may do a retracement, and when it does a retracement, you are likely to lose money by because when it is doing retracement, that means it is selling, and when it is selling, it is spiking, and it will be spiking rapidly. So you wait and for all your rules and make money. So like this one, guys, as you see, the market is in a downtrend. See, our moving average is already above and the market is trending below, and it is a downtrend. When it is a downtrend, guys, nothing to do, we stop looking for trades. We don't even look at that market. You just draw our support levels, just draw where our support levels, and we draw our resistance levels. After that, wait for the market to come and approach this support level. When it is about to approach this support level, we wait for a moving average to cross below the market. When the market goes above the trend, the moving average, we start looking for entries on 1 minute. So when you come on 1 minute, guys, what I want to tell you is that it's too risky for you to enter a trade. You see what it's doing, what the market is doing, spiking too much. You don't even understand what is going on, guys. Yes, fine, you can get some good entries, but it is not recommended by too many, okay? If I have not recommended you using this strategy, guys, don't do it. Have trading rules, as I told you. If you have trading rules, you have proper risk management, my brother, you'll be a professional trader. See, guys, what is happening? Too much spiking. You don't even understand what is happening. You get? You don't even understand what is happening. See, you get money, but too much spiking, and this spiking can even blow your account, because you might be having a $60 account. You enter a trade somewhere there, it gives a retracement, and when it gives a retracement, you say, oh, it's going to give money, and it gives again a retracement. So you don't know how large will the spike be. It might be a big spike coming all the way to this level, and guess what? The account will be at 0.22 cents and another one is blown up. Okay, let's go check on crash 500. Crash 500, still we are selling. Look at this. So when you look at this, what comes into your mind? First and foremost, you first go on 30-minute check. What is the trend of the market before even getting anything? Okay, what is the trend of the market? The market is doing an uptrend, and when it is on uptrend, we look for entries. But how far is the trend moving? The trend is almost at our support level, at our resistance level, and when it is almost at our resistance level, guys, we don't look for trades. Why? Because the market is likely to come back. Okay, it's likely to be resisted on that support, on that resistance level, and it comes back. So what we do, look for our support levels, and for us, we'll take this one as our support level, whereby our market broke this resistance level. So when it went all the way up, so when it comes back, we expect this resistance level to act as support, and we put there our line showing us where our support is. And you come again, you draw your inner support if it is there. This is our inner support. So for now, for this one, there is something that I'm going to tell you within this video. So that's why I always tell you that watch my videos to the end, because if you don't watch, you'll miss money. So I'm going to give you another technique on how to trade with this strategy, and you make money, okay, perfectly, without even like, oh, it's going to spike. No way. You draw your inner support level. So when you draw your inner support level, you wait for the market to react. When it reacts and gives you good conditions for entries, you fag it all out, man. Let's go check on boom 300, I mean. Boom 300. Wow. Boom 300 is on a downtrend. You get? It is on a downtrend. See, our moving average is is above, and the market is trending down. So if it is trending down, guys, this was support level before and was broken, so it will act as a resistance level. So for now, we don't have where any support level below, because the market is up and is going down. Don't go too far looking for support level. You get for recent support and resistance level. So for this one, we don't know where the market will stop trading. Okay, you can avoid or you can enter wisely, whereby you enter using a very small lot size. Like, let me get, not losing this, let me get small, like you say, let me get little, but don't use bigger lot size, because you don't know where the market is going to retrace from. You don't know the market when will it start retracement. You can get an entry, you enter a trade, but don't enter with too much lot size. And I recommend you guys to take 5 candlesticks on boom 300. You see, an entry was here. As you know, boom 300 and crash 300, for them they are ever arrogant. So you get an entry, you take only 5, guys. Guess what? Even before let me see how many candlesticks were these. 4 candlesticks, the market spiked up, and it spiked up, but it didn't go too far. It just came back. And if you take 4 candlesticks, guys, those are 8 pips. That's too much, man. That's too much. So let me go check other entries. Let me go check other entries. Look at this. Look at this, man. See, you take 5 candlesticks. I want to show you how much are 5 candlesticks of boom 300 and crash 300. If you take 5 candlesticks, guys, those are 10 pips. 10 pips. If you enter with a lot size of 0.2, you make $2. If you enter with a lot size of 2, you make $20 in 5 minutes. So I don't recommend you to take more than 5 candlesticks on boom and crash 300, because for it is too volatile, my friend, you know that, and that one is known everywhere. So if you try to play with it, man, you can blow your account. So the small move with huge pips. I think you have seen 5 pips. 5 candlesticks goes with 10 pips. And guess what? On boom 1000, 10 candlesticks, they go with 6 pips. Okay, so look at that difference. But I'm not telling you that go and trade only boom and crash 300. Why? It is too volatile. Avoid that, man. Avoid that. So guys, this is how the strategy is working. This is a super technique that I use myself to make money with this strategy. So with this strategy, again, you go on. This is how it goes. You go on 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, on 30 minutes, because boom, we are looking for sales. Okay, you go and mark your previous resistance level. When you mark your previous resistance level, guys, you wait for the market to reach that zone. When it reaches that zone, I'm going to show you an example by putting this box and I show you what will happen. Okay, when you reach that zone, guys, I'm going to show you from all the way up. So I want you to remember me about where the screen should be and the zoom level. If you don't remember me, I'm not going to put it there, man. I'm not going to tell you because I also forget sometimes. Look at this. So I'm going to show you an entry somewhere here. See, I marked our previous resistance level, which was that, and the market came and approached that level. When it approaches that level, my brothers and sisters, the market cannot fail to give 10 candlesticks. Believe it or not, the market will never fail to give 10 candlesticks. Let me show you with the proof. This is super proof. See what happened? After getting full confirmation of our Ichimoku and moving average on our indicator window 1, the market will never fail to give 10 candlesticks. Believe it or not, it will never fail to give you 10 candlesticks. That is one. That is proof number 1. You see, from here and you go all the way down, it will never fail to give 10 candlesticks. Even if it is gonna break that resistance level, continue going, it will never fail to give 10 candlesticks. That is a must, I assure you with that. That is a super technique that they use on this trade. And for this technique, it needs you to be patient. If you're not patient, guys, don't use this technique because you will blow your account. Okay, you need to be patient, waiting for the market to approach that level. You make money. Okay, let me show you another. I want to show another example now. Let me delete this. Let's go backwards. I'm gonna go backwards. Look at this, man. Look at this, guys. This was our previous resistance level. The market went all the way down. It went all the way down and it started coming back. When it started coming back, we had to wait for it to reach our resistance level. When it reached our resistance level, man, it will never fail to give you 10 candlesticks. Let me highlight for you and I'll show you. This technique, you don't need to use our moving average, check the trend. You only check the support and resistance level. You get your entries on support and resistance level. Look at this. I told you it will never fail to give 10 candlesticks. Believe it or not, it will never fail to give 10 candlesticks. You see, we got our entry here. 10 candlesticks, bro. Look at this. 10 candlesticks. Already banked to our accounts, man. Let's go check on, let me check crash 1000, and this is the last example. Let me see. I'm gonna check. We check from previous ones. Let's check from this consolidation. But I'll always guys avoid trading consolidated markets, okay? So look at this. See, this was our previous support level. This was our previous support level, okay? And the market started going up and it came back down. When it reached our, sorry about that. When it reached our support level, we start looking for entries from our indicators on 1 minute. And guess what? The market will never fail to give 10 candlesticks. Believe it or not, I repeat it, believe it or not, it will never fail to give 10 candlesticks. Let's go and check. You're looking for a box that will draw. Where are you? Here it is. Look at this, man. Look at this. You see, this is our support level that we drew. Support line, horizontal line showing us where the support is. You see? And guess what? Indicators gave us an entry. You see? From here. 10 candlesticks. It will never fail to give 10 candlesticks. Based on our strategy, man. Look at this. Look at that, man. 10 candlesticks. It will never fail to give 10 candlesticks, bro. This is something very simple and something which needs too much patience. If you're patient, guys, go use this strategy and make money. This technique is marvelous. Okay. Alright guys, if this video has been helpful to you, man, let's go. Like the videos, share the videos, hit that subscribe button for me. Tell your friend to subscribe to the channel, because if the YouTube channel grows, that it will also keep showing me that someone is really enjoying my content, someone is really using my strategy, making money, and that is my pride when I see someone making money using my strategy, man. So here it is how the market is, how the screen is being dragged. You drag your screen from everywhere it is, you just bring it somewhere on your right of your screen. And we are using zoom level 2. You see, I zoom out completely, I zoom once. That's all. You don't need to zoom twice. You don't need to zoom three times, but zoom out completely, zoom once. Drag your screen to the somewhere on the right hand side. Okay, after that, let's go check the indicators. As I told you, we are using moving average on the main chart to check the trend of the market. Okay, we are using stochastic oscillator to know where the market, where our Ichimoku, to get entries using our Ichimoku and moving average. So our Ichimoku and moving average, when they touch the level, the highest level that we marked, which is level 90 and level 10 of our stochastic oscillator, you enter the trade. But you enter the trade after checking the trend, or you enter a trade when the market has reached one of your support level or one of your resistance level for boom. Your support level for crash and your resistance level for boom. The market will never fail to give you 10 candlesticks. That is my secret, man. Okay. The setups for our moving average on the main chart, using period 20 shift 0 method, exponential, apply to close, styles 4 pixels, color black, levels, no levels. That's all. Or you can put any color which has a good sign for you. You press done, and to look like this. Okay, to look like this. Sorry. Let's go on our stochastic oscillator on our indicator window 1. We are using a period. K period is 5, D period is 3, and it is slowing on 3. Then price field, low high, method simple. Mine, we are using 1 pixel color white. Signal, we are using 3 pixel color white. So when we check our levels, we have level 90, which is our sell zone. Okay, let us add another thing. On our level 80, we just put wait to enter a trade. Okay, and level 50, take profit or stop loss. That one, when the market reaches level 50, guys, if you are in a trade, exit the trade. If you are not yet in a trade, stop looking for a trade. Okay, because the market has now crossed from sell zone to buy zone, or it has crossed from buy zone to sell zone. Okay, so level 20, it is also for waiting, not entering, but get ready to get an entry, because the market has reached oversold zone and we are waiting for buys. Okay, and level 10 is a buy. So we are using 1 pixel styles, we're using 1 pixel, color black or color of your choice. So let me repeat this. It is 90 sell zone, 80 you wait, 50 take profit or stop loss, 20 you wait, 10 buy zone. Okay, that's all you need to do. Come back, you press back and you press done. So our moving average on our indicator window 1 is period 8 shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Styles, we are using 4 pixels, color red. Please guys, I repeat this, do setup of your indicators as I did. If you change the setups, you're likely to lose some cash. Okay, you press done and you come back, and this is how your chart must look alike. Okay, your chart must look like this. Yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Happy weekend. I wish you the best of the best this weekend, and just hit the subscribe button, share the video, like the video. Let me see your reactions below this video. If you have not yet registered with the trusted brokers that I use. The links are just below this video. Go tap on the links, register with the brokers, start making money using my strategies. This strategy is working on all boom and crash pairs. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you for the love. I love you so much. Too many FX forever. Boom.